In today's video, we'll compare AutoDS and Modalyst. We'll compare them according to their features, prices, and also you can find unique features inside of this video. So what's the difference? Which one is the most suitable as for you? So basically, both platforms are popular dropshipping platforms that help businesses automate their operations and sell products online without having to hold their own inventory. And both platforms offer a range of features to help businesses succeed, but they also have some key differences. In this article, we'll compare AutoDS and Modalyst in detail, highlighting their features, pricing, and unique offers. So both of them have these features like order automation, real-time inventory management, multi-channel integration, order tracking, and shipment notifications. Also like product sourcing. But if we are going to speak about AutoDS unique features, we can find 4 of them, and the first one is advanced analytics. So AutoDS provides in-depth data on sales, profit, and conversions. Also, they provide supplier management, allows us to manage supplier relationships, track orders, and get notified of changes. Also, there are a lot of integrations with advanced tools such as Zapier, Google Sheets, and other third-party tools. Automated pricing included, like automatically set prices for products based on rules you define. Also, it's quite good for businesses who want to use these features, and if you want to get 1 month free trial of AutoDS, you can find the link in the description. Just pretty cool option if you want to use it. And if we're going to speak about Modalyst unique features, we can find branded packaging, allows us to create custom branded packaging for our products. White label dropshipping, remove all traces of Modalyst from your store, making it appears as if you are the sole supplier of the products. Also, like dedicated account manager, basically get personalized support from a dedicated account manager. And access to premium suppliers. Modalyst has a network of premium suppliers that offer exclusive products and discounts. If we're going to speak about prices, we can see that AutoDS starts from like $20 for different stores: eBay, Facebook, WooCommerce, Wix, Amazon, and so on, depends on your choice. And Modalyst has a free plan available, also like Pro Plan, Starter, and Growth. And which platform is better for you? We can definitely say that AutoDS best for businesses that need advanced features like advanced analytics, supplier management, and integrations with third-party tools. It's suitable for businesses that sell a wide range of products from multiple suppliers. And if I'm going to speak about Modalyst, it's better for businesses that want to create a branded dropshipping experience, ideal for businesses that want to assess premium suppliers and white label their products, suitable for businesses that are willing to pay a higher price for additional features and support. And what can we say in conclusion? In conclusion, we can say that AutoDS and Modalyst are both viable options for businesses looking to dropship. The choice of which platform is best will depend on the specific needs and budget of our business. If we need advanced features, integrations, AutoDS is a great choice. And if we want to create a branded dropshipping experience and access premium suppliers, Modalyst is good option. So if you want to get like AutoDS for 1 month completely for free, find the link in the description. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye.